mammals once again. Look what I've got here. A mammal. This video, this is what it's all about. If I succeed, it's gonna be difficult, but I hope I can succeed. So of course the whole plan here is to put this trail camera in the nest box of a bird on the ceiling, so pointing downwards. Of course the first thing I have to do is to find the nest box that is being used and that is big enough to place this. It's a small camera, but still nest boxes are also very small, so pick a nest box with the right opening, you know. If some nest boxes also in my backyard here, they open like this and not like this. I'm gonna check them all out, so let's do that first. Now I fully realize that I'm quite a bit late. In this nest box there are already hatchlings. I saw 2 yellow beaks popping out like this. This is the perfect nest box. And the second one that is active. I came to check very slowly if there was anything. A noise came out of the nest box. It scared the shit out of me, to be honest. I've never heard this noise before. Alarm call, not necessarily alarm call, more like a get the fuck out of here call. Rated or blue tick, I think rated, but I'm not sure. Again, unexpected. There are about 7 or 8 already in there. I didn't hear them, so I've placed the trail camera in the nest box. For everything, if it's the first time that I do something, that I try something new, it always goes wrong. Or at least something goes wrong. That's how I learn. Maybe the angle is fucked up or camera won't trigger properly. I am checking the footage for the first time of this trail camera. And it really works. Look at this footage. I have checked all the footage. Remember when I said there is definitely at least one thing going wrong and something went a little bit wrong? That is, it's not sharp. There is a whole bunch of footage, but it's just not sharp. It's because the camera is too close. Should I continue with this or should I just try something else? Because there's plenty of other stuff to try with this trail camera. It's not called a trail camera for nothing, of course. I don't feel comfortable opening the lid every time, disturbing them. For the birds it's definitely better if I don't continue with this. I think it's better to try something else. Of course the best thing, absolute epic thing would be owls, because we have tiny owls in our backyard for like already 10-15 years. Many years ago they actually nested in our backyard 3 times in total or something like that. I'm gonna get the trail camera out of there, and while I'm there anyway, I'll give them some extra food that I still left. They didn't quite catch the food. Let's do one more, a little bit more food. There was one little worm in the beak of one of the young ones. I'll leave him be, of course. That is a lapwing. That was exactly the bird that I was searching for. And there was a small little bird next to this one. This one. What is that bird? Oh wait, I know what it is. I think it's a white wagtail. It has to be. Because he wagged his tail. And he's white and black. I recognize this bird. But this is what it's all about. This is the lapwing. I've never seen one before. Found another bird species. This is the lapwing. This is, I'm not sure what it's called in English. It's the yellow beak that you usually find on the beach. Yes, that's him. It's of course a water bird, and this whole open heather area is completely flooded, partially flooded, as you can see. And now even this one is attracted by that. This was great, dude. First time filming lapwings. I actually succeeded quite nicely. Lapwing in flight, and I filmed them during their whole flight thing. Check this out. Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna try again, and of course I'm gonna try to get even closer. I was even thinking about putting that photo blind here, but right in the open, I'm not so sure. Woo!